Hi everyone, I'm the Tax Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to undo bank reconciliations. Reconciliations are where we compare a third-party statement, such as a bank statement for the end of the month, with QuickBooks Online, and then we account for any differences. There's numerous reasons why you might need to undo a reconciliation, such as you've made some changes within QuickBooks Online, and now those items that you've reconciled maybe have been modified, or they are no longer in QuickBooks Online. When you do reconciliations, you may have also taken some of those differences to reconciliation discrepancies, which is not good practice. So you may be needing to undo those reconciliations so you can actually go back in and do them properly. When we navigate here, we want to go to the reconciliation page. You can come down here to all apps, go into the accounting section and go here to reconcile. I personally like to go to the gear icon, come under tools here and go to reconcile. This is then going to pull up all of those balance sheet accounts. Balance sheet accounts are the ones that you reconcile. So that's what's going to pop up in this account drop down. We can go in and we can see the last statement ending date, and we can also come up here and see a history by account. This is going to show you all of the reconciliations that have been done within a specific time period. Okay, so we have this in the last 365 days, but you could do all dates if you wanted to. We're going to come here and we can see under the action column where it says view report. If you click the down arrow, you can click undo. It is going to give you a warning. So it is going to let you know, hey, we're going to delete this reconciliation report, delete any of these service or finance charges, interest, etc. that you entered when you reconciled. So some people will enter like interest or bank service charges at the point in time of reconciliation rather than entering them as individual charges. Those will be deleted when you undo this reconciliation. And then it is going to take those reconciled transactions and it is going to take them to cleared or uncleared status rather than reconciled. And it is going to go back to the last reconciliation. So if we undo one reconciliation, it will just go back and keep the reconciliation before that, unless we go in and we keep on doing them, okay? So we can click yes to move forward, or we can go back. I'm gonna click yes. It is going to give us some additional information. It's gonna say, okay, we're gonna undo the reconciliation. Are you sure? We can go back if we're not sure, or we can click undo. Once you click undo, it will remove that reconciliation like it never happened, okay? That is how you undo a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know. If that was helpful, please consider giving a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next.